Hey guys, and today I have yesterday I'm going to, because I'm going to do unboxing video for King Z-Wad Must X-Rays Must X-Rays Militia Must Trust in my bomber trust box. Standing Mal Must One Wild X-Rays. This is pretty cool. This is a red lamp, and here's a Must X-Rays. You can see all about it, as you can see, and here's the same as the car shifters one. Or car changers. Here's Must One Wild X-Rays. First, going to Samsung's debut. For King. Fandango got crashed in 2006, our second race. Chick Hicks has won. But Fandango for King, I'm going to scan and cause their double launch on August. That'd be cool. I can see for this included. Story sets soon. Story sets on again. I love story sets. I saw story sets. Check that out. Wow, that's huge. I can see some story sets. Pretty cool. First goes right here. Up next, we got Z-Wad. Z-Wad's pretty cool. Oh, good seeing your camera. It shines. West Vermont West. Dun dun dun! Militia Motors. Pretty cool, Militia Motors. See, so Mont body and Mont front. Mom with this do. This back paint. You can see focus. 2-time Must Wolf, I Must Champion. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching and see you next time.